I finally got it. I was waiting for this for a little while. The little gasket for the intake manifold. I finally got it, so I'm excited about that. I have a mess all over, you know. So far what I did, I took the radiator hose right here from here to here, and I know I will need a radiator replacement soon because I think there's some rust in there. You guys can see it from right here, but it actually probably got some in there too, inside the core. But anyway, so now I'm going to take the fuel rail and I'm going to disconnect this connection over here. I already took off the injector's sensors, and then I'm going to take this bolt right here off and this one right here to hold that holds the fuel rail. And then after that, down here I already disconnected some sensors from the throttle body right here, vacuum hoses from the blow valve, and let me see what else I did. The clamps right here, took all that off. So what I'm gonna do, trying to take the intake manifold off and all that good stuff, and there's a vacuum hose behind it right here. I also took off the fuel pump relay off, so make sure I took that off too. So now I'm going to try to take the rest of the stuff off and go from there. So there you have it. I took it off. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit and down there on that area. And this is the gasket right here. Look at that. See, if you see it right here, look, it's completely gone. Even though, yeah, it's still bad at the end of the day. But right here, see this gap right here? I can put my finger through it, and that's where it was leaking from, because I was spraying some throttle body cleaner, and this is where all that vacuum leak that I was getting from. So I'm definitely gonna, like I said, clean all this up, make sure it's completely good and flush. And then also gonna put a new one, which I got it right here. So I got a new gasket right here. Let me see, turn it around. It goes just like that. Of course, I gotta take the old one off. And this one, like I said, is leaking right here in this area. So I'm glad that I found that out. When I was taking everything out, the brake booster line that was running, actually it was a little bit oversized. I think I got it right here. This right here. And it had a lot of play around it to where, like, I couldn't get to this and spray anything to see if it was to go here, so it won't have no leak, because I knew another one, since I took this off, it was so easy to take it off. I knew for a fact I got a leak right here too, you know what I mean? So I definitely want to change that. So I'm gonna do the boring stuff. I'm gonna clean everything up. So I already cleaned all that, make sure nothing will go in there, because you know, you don't want nothing go inside your engine, and then you put everything back together and then something happens. So I got that going. I got an intake manifold right here. I'm going to clean this side all the way around here, especially where the new gasket will go. All this will be cleaned up, and over here all that will be cleaned up a little bit better, especially right here where the injectors used to be at, in these little areas right here. So all that will be cleaned up better than that. Alright, so I cleaned where the gasket will go on this area right here. So I'll make sure it was good. I tried to clean around it on both sides, just to clean it a little bit, but like I said, I didn't want to like make it perfect or nothing, just a little bit better than it was, especially around the injectors, where the injectors will go to. So I got all that good. So what I'm going to do is to put everything back together. Man, it got a little high, I ain't gonna lie. So I'm gonna do all that, put it together, and hopefully I think I should have enough time to start it up and everything. So I'm going to see. So I have put everything back together. Hopefully I don't have no leaks around the injector areas because I cleaned that good and checked the O-rings and everything like that. Oh, and by the way, since we're doing this video, I'm gonna go ahead and change the coolant cap because I got a better one. There go the new one right here. I just got this. I'm glad I remember. So while I'm doing this video, I go ahead and put this on too. I got this one from Modern Performance. This is the old one, and this is the new one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a new one in there. New radiator cap is on, and the old one right here, I don't know if you can see. So from the top, it seemed like it's okay, but you go right here on the side, still seem it's okay, and you come around the corner, boom, all that is missing. It's definitely old, and it was time for a change. So that's why I got a new one. That should be good to go now. So now what I'm going to do is trying to start the car up and hopefully and come back to the front of the car and see if it's leaking or anything like that. So everything is idling good. I checked for coolant leaks. I didn't see no leaks. I also trying to see if I had that same vacuum leak. I sprayed some throttle body cleaner in that area that was leaking the last time, which it was on the very right by the driver's side gasket area, like on that. So I didn't see nothing. So past the fuel and coolant leak. So I'm glad. So hopefully I will drive it whenever I get a time to do it and get to see if my boost is still off or what, or if he fixed it, because I also changed the hose that was under the intake manifold nipple. So now hopefully that's good to go too, and hopefully that fixed my vacuum issues. I doubt it, hopefully, but we'll see. What I got in front of me is some more stuff for the car, because I can show you guys in this video. You gotta watch the next video. And also got this box here, and there's something in here that's for the car also. That's what's coming up, and this is the old gasket, of course, and I'm throwing that away. I'm over here already sweating. It was getting hot, so I'm glad I'm finished with all this. My status off YouTube is growing slowly, but it's getting there to the point I'm very excited. I can't wait to just keep going doing this content for you guys and continue just to make good videos, give cars away. I can, do charities. I can do a lot of stuff and help the subscribers and anybody that's in need, less fortunate, and I can start helping more. And that's what my goal is: be a successful YouTuber and give it back. And that's the whole point. And I like doing this, and that's what I want to do. Like, I don't want to have a regular job anymore. I just want to do this for a living, and that's the whole point of doing this thing, because I want to do it because I love it. I'm definitely didn't forget about the Corvette content that's coming. Don't worry about that. So once again, I would like to thank all y'all for supporting me. Keep watching my videos. And so with that being said, thank you. See you guys next time.